friends, without any delay, let's get started. Now join 5mm, 3mm, 25 strips and make a 2 tight coils of 5mm and 3mm and make a little dome shape and press it with the Fevicol bottle to make stiff. Now apply glue around the dome of 2 domes. Let it dry for some time. After drying, connect the 2 domes. Here I am making base body of Yashodama. Let it dry for some time. Now again join 7mm 4 strips and make a big cone. Here I am making legs for Yashodama. Make another leg also. Apply glue inside the cone. Apply neatly with the help of brush. Spread it neatly. Let it dry for some time. After drying, connect cones to the base cone like this. Base dome. Connect one by one. Let it dry for some time. It will take some time to dry. Let it dry for some time. It will be the legs for my Yashoda. Now again join 5mm 1 strip and make a cone shape and press it little bit like this as shown in the video. Apply glue inside the cone. Now take a 5mm paper strip and just wrap it as shown in the video. Here I am making fingers. It is very easy to make method for making fingers. Apply glue and close it. Just cut the edges and insert inside the cone like this. It will be the finger. Foot is ready now. Now take a green color piece of paper and make designs on that paper and make pleats like this. It will looking super cute. It will be the gagra for the Ma Yashoda. Now rotate around this base dome like this. Apply glue and paste it like this to the coil, and I have attached foot also for the legs. For join 7mm 30 strips for making stand. It will be the stand for Yashodama. Now here I am making base body. Join 3mm and 5mm 25 strips and make a 2 tight coils and make a bigger dome. Now apply glue. Let it dry for some time. Repeat same procedure for 3mm tight coil also. Make little small dome for 3mm. Now again join. Now connect the two domes after drying. Now apply glue. Join 5mm 2 strips for making neck and connect tight coil to the base body. Now again join 10mm 20 strips for making stomach part. Now the base body is ready. Now apply glue and connect this base body to the base dome shape like this. Now the base body is ready for the Yashodama. It is looking super cute. Here I am making North Indian style. Now take a red color piece of paper and make designs and make small pleats as a chunni. Dupatta for the Ma Yashoda. It will be the dupatta for Ma Yashodama. Now connect like this. Apply glue and connect like this. After connecting, it will be like this in a North Indian style. Now again join 5mm 1½ strips. Here I am making hands for Ma Yashodama. Now again join 5mm 1½ strip and make little dome shape as shown in the video like this. Now take another 5mm 1½ strip and make a cone shape like this. Little bit cone shape. Now apply glue inside the 3 cones. Spread neatly with the help of brush and apply glue neatly inside the cones. Apply neatly. Now palm is also ready. Join 3mm 1½ strip for making palm. Now connect the hands, upper hand with the lower hand like this in the hand position. Make total 2, and I have attached bangles and palm to the hands. For palm, join 3mm 1½ strip. Now connect hands to the base idle. Now I have attached ball chains for making jewelry part. I have made designs with the fabric liner. Now here I am making face. Join 5mm and 3mm 9 strips. 5mm for the skin color and 3mm for the black color and make a dome shape. Here I am making face for the Ma Yashodama. Now apply glue inside the dome. Make little dome for black color. It will be the head part. Let it dry for some time. After drying, connect the 2 domes like this as shown in the video. My one strip length is 28 cm. For things in the checking description box below. Connect like this. Now the face is ready. Now connect nose. For making nose, just take a 5 mm paper strip and fold it to half and cut it. It will give a nose shape. For making ears, join 2 mm 1/5 strip and connect the ears like this. Now here making koppu, join 3 mm 2 strips and make a hair for the Ma Yashoda and make a small dome. And I have made facial expression on the face and I have attached jewelry for the Ma Yashoda. Now koppu is dried. Attach hair on the back side of the face of Yashoda Ma like this. Now the face is ready. It is looking super cute. Now let it dry for some time. After drying, connect the face to the base idol like this. Let it dry for some time. It will take some time to dry. After drying, it will be like this. Now the face is ready. Now here I am making chunni. Just take a regular paper and make designs and connect like this. Apply glue and connect like this. It will be the chunni part.